Okay, this is Mr. Alsino. Mr. Alsino, thank you so much for purchasing your roof with Hippo Roofing. Our question to you is, what do you love about your roof?
I love the look of it, and I love the strength of it. It was installed, and on Monday we had a big storm, and we even had hail for the first time in 25 years. And it was
Wow.
interesting to hear the ping, ping, ping of the hail, but the rain was very melodious, and it sounded kind of mellow. We enjoyed it.
Fantastic. You have one of the top metal products in the country from Fabrel. And what do you love about your experience with Hippo?
We really enjoyed the rip-off crew, we call them, the people who took off the asphalt shingles and the tar paper and stripped it down and did all the plywood work. They were excellent workers, they were nice people, they just labored on through, and we enjoyed having them here.
Fantastic.
And then at the end of the project, as in all projects, there was a punch list that had to be worked off, a few items, and guy pulls up in a Hippo pickup truck and he's introducing himself as Hector. And that man is, if you can clone him, because he does a yeoman's work and he gives you the impression he's doing it like he would do it on his own house, because that's how the quality of work the man puts out.
Fantastic.
An outstanding representative of your organization.
Well, we're so happy that you are a customer of Hippo and you're ours forever. If you have any other questions, please let us know. Thank you so much, and you have a beautiful day.
Thank you.